Welcome back to Wealth Wisdom, where we empower you with the knowledge and tools to achieve your financial goals. Today, we'll explore effective strategies for maintaining discipline on your financial journey. Setting financial goals is one thing, but staying disciplined and focused to achieve them is another. In this video, we'll dive deep into valuable insights from experts and authors to help you overcome challenges and maintain the discipline needed for lasting financial success. Before we dive into the strategies, let's understand why financial goals are vital for your journey to financial freedom. In Stephen Covey's The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, he emphasizes the power of beginning with the end in mind. Visualizing your financial destination and setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals will give you a clear roadmap for success. By having well-defined financial goals, you'll be better prepared to make strategic decisions that align with your objectives. Whether it's buying a home, saving for retirement, or paying off debt, setting clear and realistic goals is the first step toward achieving financial success. To gain further insights into effective goal setting, read Goal Setting: How to Create an Action Plan and Achieve Your Goals. This book offers powerful techniques to turn your dreams into actionable plans and provides tips to stay motivated throughout your financial journey. Creating actionable plans is crucial to bridge the gap between where you are now and where you want to be financially. It helps you establish a sense of purpose and direction, increasing your commitment to stay disciplined in pursuit of your goals. By setting clear and realistic financial goals, you'll not only achieve financial milestones but also develop discipline, resilience, and determination, essential qualities for long-term financial success. A well-crafted budget is your financial compass, guiding you toward your goals. In this section, we explore how budgeting can help you stay on track. Your Money or Your Life offers valuable insights into managing finances and aligning your spending with your values. By tracking your progress regularly, you can stay accountable and make necessary adjustments to stay on course. Budgeting is not about restricting yourself but about making conscious choices that align with your values and financial priorities. By tracking your spending, you'll become more aware of where your money goes and identify areas where you can cut back to allocate more funds toward your financial goals. For practical advice on budgeting and achieving financial freedom, consider the Total Money Makeover. It provides actionable steps to take control of your finances and set yourself up for success. Budgeting plays a fundamental role in achieving financial discipline. It helps you understand your cash flow, reduce unnecessary expenses, and ensure that your hard-earned money is being allocated optimally toward your financial aspirations. By creating a budget and tracking your expenses, you'll gain a deeper understanding of where your money goes and identify opportunities to cut unnecessary spending, freeing up funds for your financial goals. Building strong financial habits is the key to consistent progress. In this section, we explore how to conquer challenges and temptations that can derail your financial journey. In Atomic Habits, James Clear reveals the science of habit formation. By making small changes in your financial habits, you can achieve significant results over time. This book provides practical strategies to build discipline and make positive financial choices effortlessly. Building strong financial habits is not about being perfect, but about consistently making progress toward your goals. Small daily actions can lead to significant transformations in your financial life. For example, saving a small percentage of your income regularly or automatically investing a portion of your earnings can gradually compound into substantial savings. Over time, by focusing on these small yet consistent actions, you build momentum and discipline in managing your finances effectively. Charles Duhigg's The Power of Habit explores how habits shape our lives. By understanding the habit loop and harnessing the power of cues and rewards, you can develop financial habits that lead to long-term success. To develop strong financial habits, start by identifying the triggers that lead to undesirable financial behaviors. Whether it's impulsive spending or neglecting savings, understanding these triggers will help you proactively address and change your habits. Replacing negative financial habits with positive ones is essential for maintaining discipline. For instance, if you tend to overspend on impulse purchases, adopt the habit of waiting 24 hours before making any non-essential purchases. This allows you to evaluate whether the purchase aligns with your financial goals and values. Staying motivated and focused is crucial, especially when facing financial challenges. In this section, we share strategies to keep your eyes on the prize. Angela Duckworth's Grit highlights the importance of perseverance and passion in achieving long-term goals. By staying committed to your financial goals, even in the face of setbacks, you develop resilience and determination. Achieving financial success is rarely a linear journey. There will be ups and downs along the way, but by cultivating grit, you can navigate challenges and maintain the discipline needed to overcome obstacles. Carol Dweck's Mindset explores the power of a growth mindset. Embracing a growth mindset allows you to see failures and setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning, rather than as roadblocks. To stay motivated, celebrate your progress and milestones, no matter how small they may seem. Acknowledging your achievements will reinforce your commitment to continue working towards your financial goals. Visualizing your financial success and the life you want to achieve can also boost motivation. Create a vision board or write down your goals, and regularly revisit them to stay focused and inspired. Seeking support and accountability can significantly impact your journey to financial success. In this section, we explore the power of having a strong support system. Gretchen Rubin's The 4 Tendencies helps you understand your personality type and how it influences your ability to maintain discipline and reach your goals. Knowing whether you're an upholder, obliger, questioner, or rebel can help you tailor strategies for seeking support and accountability that best suit your tendencies. David Box, The Automatic Millionaire, emphasizes the value of automating your financial decisions. By setting up automatic contributions to savings and investments, you remove the need for constant willpower and ensure consistent progress towards your goals. When seeking support, share your financial goals with a trusted friend, family member, or financial advisor. They can offer encouragement, feedback, and guidance, holding you accountable to stay on track. Additionally, consider joining online communities or financial groups where you can connect with like-minded individuals. Surrounding yourself with people who share similar goals and aspirations can provide valuable motivation and inspiration. Congratulations! You now have a comprehensive understanding of effective strategies for maintaining discipline and achieving your financial goals. Remember, achieving financial success is not a one-time event, but a continuous journey that requires discipline, perseverance, and adaptability. Take action today and start implementing these strategies to transform your financial life. Whether it's setting clear goals, creating a budget, developing strong habits, staying motivated, or seeking support, each step will bring you closer to your dreams. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us at Wealth Wisdom, and until next time, stay financially disciplined and keep growing. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. We recommend consulting a qualified financial advisor before making any significant financial decisions.